Waterhouse will go in search of a fourth consecutive victory in the JFF Lascelles Employees Cooperative Credit Union Women's Football League on Wednesday when action resumes.
Zone A leader Waterhouse, who are 3 wins from 3 games, will be looking to ace shooter Kenisha Reid to lead the charge as they play away to second place to St. Anne Women's on 4 points at Jacks Hall. Waterhouse tops the group on 9 points, winning 2 at home and 1 on the road, and coach Xavier Gilbert says he is familiar with the St. Anne Women's team and he is expecting his unit to get the job done.
I know the team very well, but and they've been performing well. But I think we have the requisite players to overhaul them. It's a decent unit, and I'm very optimistic that we'll come away with maximum points.
Gilbert has one specific goal in mind heading into this encounter.
So we are now a point away from the mid-season finals. We're away to St. Anne, and just looking forward to that game on Wednesday. And hopefully we can come away with at least a point away from home and make it into the mid-season finals.
The other group game sees Fraser's Whip sitting fourth without a point, hosting bottom of the table Rangers FC, also without a point, at the Dunby Holden Sports Complex. Fraser's Whip coach Jerome Watt says he has seen improvements from his team and expects a good result.
Well, we will be working on our system, concentration, good, because the concentration in the first game was at 100, second game was good, which is this game, so we will get better as we go along.
Meanwhile, over in Zone B, leaders Arnett Gardens are seeking a third win away to Olympic Gardens at Klinkling Oval. Arnett are 2 wins from 2 and will want to increase their lead atop the table to get to the mid-season playoff final, as Olympic are nipping at their heels on 4 points. Also on 4 points is Trelawney Women, who hosts the Real Mobay AFC, who are still pointless at the foot of the table at the Elliston Wakeland Centre. All games are set for a 4 p.m. kickoff. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.